Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the VSC light on your Lexus IS250. First, let's cover some simple initial checks. The VSC light on your dashboard signals a problem with your vehicle's stability control system. Surprisingly, a common culprit is a loose gas cap. Always ensure your gas cap is tightened properly, usually until you hear at least 2 clicks. This simple step can often resolve the warning. If the gas cap isn't the issue, we need to dig deeper. The VSC light frequently illuminates when there's an underlying engine problem, often accompanied by the check engine light. Brake system components like worn pads or low fluid can also be a cause. Additionally, malfunctioning wheel speed sensors or the steering angle sensor are common culprits. Using an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner is essential to read diagnostic trouble codes and pinpoint the exact problem. Once you've identified the root cause, it's time for the fix. After addressing any underlying issues, use an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to clear the diagnostic trouble codes. A temporary reset can sometimes be achieved by disconnecting the negative battery terminal for about 10 minutes. You can also try pressing and holding the VSC button, typically located near your steering wheel, for 3 seconds to manually reset the system. Remember, fixing the actual problem is key for a lasting solution. After performing any repairs or resets, start your Lexus IS250 and observe the dashboard. The VSC light should now be off. If it reappears, this indicates a more complex underlying issue that requires further investigation, and professional assistance is highly recommended. Remember to check the description below for a link to this amazing smart speaker and other great deals. Ensuring your VSC system functions correctly is vital for your vehicle's stability and your safety.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.